Hello, friends. How are you today? We are good. So, we've been playing with these Picasso tiles. We love them.
We love them.
Kim has a lot of fun with them. He built some really cool stuff. You might have seen some on Instagram. I just edited a different video of stuff we did with them. But today, we're going to do something different, huh?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
We're going to build a tower and slide into it.
Yep, we're going to build some towers, and we're going to show you how these things crumble and destruct in slow motion. It should be pretty cool. Yeah. So, grab a drink, grab a snack, and watch this video. Don't forget to like it, okay? It's really important. Thumb up. So today, we're going to have some fun with these guys. These are called Picasso Tiles. They're magnetic building tiles, and they snap together. They got magnets in them, and they just go piece together, and you can build lots of cool stuff. The set we have is 100 pieces, and it's got all of these guys here, all those shapes. So we're going to build some stuff, and knock it down in slow motion. Should be pretty cool. Let's get started. Kim, you ready?
Yeah.
Go for it! Ah, yeah!
You ready, Dad?
I'm ready. I'm going face first. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Okay, we have tower number 3 built, and this time instead of us going at it, we're gonna take what? We're gonna take this little guy.
My Doom Buggy.
The Vortex
I
Doom
modified
Buggy.
it.
Yeah, we got to modify. We got a jet engine on the back, so it should be really fast. Okay, so we're going to take it and we're going to go right into that guy right there. Are you ready for this?
Yes,
Are you ready? Okay. All right. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Are you gonna spear it?
Yeah.
Okay, look at this tower, guys. This is the biggest one yet. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go, Peyton! Hey-ya! Big tower this time. We used every single piece. That's 100 Picasso tiles right there, folks. Okay, let's see you do it. Go! Oh, nice! Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Do it!
Yeah.
Woohoo! Nice!
On top of it.
One landed on top, you're right.
Yeah.
This time I'm putting my hood up, because that kind of hurts. That's hard plastic.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? All right, buddy, we got another tower built.
Yep.
What do we got?
We're gonna crush it with my Jeep.
The Jeep, okay, there's the Jeep. There's the tower. Once again, using all 100 pieces.
Yep.
Let's get ready to go. Woo! That was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun. We did quite a few, huh? We've been at it now for an hour and a half making this video, so it's only gonna be like 5 to 8 minutes for you guys, but it was an hour and a half for us. So hopefully you liked it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thought it was cool. Go get yourself some Picasso tiles. These things are really fun. The kids can use their imagination. They can build all kinds of stuff. They're obviously strong. I mean, we broke them down, what, 7 or 8 times, and none of them broke on the floor.
Hit that notification bell right there.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please give us a thumbs up and put that bell on so you don't miss another one. We will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell right there.
Thank you, Picasso Tiles. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Picasso Tiles. We love your Picasso Tiles. Picasso Tiles.
Bye.